All right, so here we're going to multiply, and 7 times 7x squared, or 7x squared times 7x, we're going to multiply our numbers and multiply our variables. So 7 times 7 is going to get us 49, and x to the 2 times x to the 1 will get us x cubed, and then 7 times 9 is going to get us 63, and then x squared. Over here, we're going to multiply each term times the other terms. So x, it's basically foiling, but we're going to take and cover up the second term, and x times x will get us x squared. X times 5 is 5x. 11 times x is 11x, and 11 times 5 is 55. And usually on these, you're going to get a middle term that will combine. So you'll get x squared plus 5 plus 11 will be 16x plus 55. All right, so now we're going to look at multiplying x plus 5 times x minus 7. So in this case, I'm going to do the same thing I did on the previous problem. I'm going to get x times x is x squared. X times negative 7y will get me negative 7xy. And then 5y times x will get me plus 5xy. 5 times negative 7 is minus 35, and y times y will be y squared. Again, these are similar terms, so we're going to add them. So we'll get x squared, negative 7 plus 5, they're different signs. We're going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger, so 7 minus 5 is 2. Keeping the sign of the bigger will be minus 2xy, and then minus 35y squared. So now on a term like this, if you see it and it looks like this squared, what that means is you have to write the parenthesis twice, and then we're going to do the same thing. So 5x times 5x will get us 25x squared. 5x times 12 is plus 60x. 12 times 5x is plus 60x. And 12 times 12 is 144. Combining the two middle terms, we get 25x squared plus 120x plus 144. The last one that we have is multiplying these two here. Now, these are the same signs, or the same parentheses, but different signs. So this is going to get us to difference of squares. So we've got 13x times 13x will get us 169x squared. 13x times negative 1 is minus 13x, plus 13x, and then minus 1. So the two middle terms will combine and cancel out, and we'll have 169x squared minus 1. Now if you recognize this is going to be difference of squares, you can just multiply or square the number out front. 13 times 13 gets us 169x squared, and 1 times a negative 1 will get us minus 1, and you can do it very quickly that way.